Hello students, let us see this question now. Okay, a small coil is introduced between the poles of electromagnet. Magnet is there. Magnet, this is magnet. So that its axis coincides with the magnetic field direction. The number of turns is N. The area of cross section of the coil is A. When the coil turns through 180 degree about the diameter, then the charges flowing through is Q. The total resistance of the circuit is R given. What is the magnitude of magnetic inductance? So, okay. So, as you all know, the charge flown is equal to change in flux divided by resistance. So, you can see what is the change in flux. You can say that will be phi initial minus phi sorry. So, okay, so all I need to find the change in flux. So let us find out now. So initial flux, right? So assuming here the magnitude of magnetic induction is B. So the flux through one one circle, right? Flux through one circle, right? Or you can say the flux through one turn will be B into A. And there are N turns here, so the total flux will become BA into N. Phi final. So now after rotating, the angle between area vector and the field vector will become 180 degree. So if you will take the flux here, so BA into cos theta. So cos theta will become 180 finally. So cos 180 is minus 1. So the final flux will become minus BAN. So you can easily so let us calculate here delta phi now. So delta phi is final flux minus initial flux. Okay, so the final flux is minus BAN minus initial flux is BAN. So this is become minus 2 BAN. So this is the change in flux. So all I need is the magnitude here. So I will put here the magnitude of change in flux. So I am putting this change in flux value in this equation. So all I need the magnitude here. I am not interested in sign. So I will put here 2 BAN and resistance. And the charge flown is given in the equations, that is CQ. So from this equation I can say the value of B is equal to QR divided by 2AN. So let us see which option is matching here. Obviously option D is matching. Okay, QR upon 2AN. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.